guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit Architectural Training Tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit walls. We will learn about the wall opening tool and the edit wall profile tool. Let's begin. Use the wall opening tool to cut rectangular openings in a straight or curved wall. To cut round or polygon openings, use Edit a Wall Profile. We will talk about it later in this chapter. To cut a rectangular opening in a wall, open an elevation or section view where you can access the wall that will host the opening. Now, select the Wall Opening tool. Go to the Architecture tab, Opening panel, and select the Wall Opening tool. Select the wall that will host the opening, and sketch a rectangular opening. After you specify the final point of the opening displays. To modify an opening, click Modify, and select the opening. You can use the drag controls to modify the size and location of the opening. You can also drag it to a new location on the same wall, and add dimensions to the opening. In most cases, when you place a straight wall, it has a rectangular profile when viewed in elevations, looking perpendicular to its length. If your design calls for a different shape of profile, or for openings in the wall, you can edit the wall's elevation profile in a section view or an elevation view. To edit the profile of a wall, select it and click Modify Walls tab. Then select Edit Profile. If the active view is a plan view, the Go To View dialog displays, prompting you to select an appropriate elevation or section view. When an appropriate view is open, the profile of the wall displays in magenta model lines. Use the tools on the Modify and Draw panels to edit the profile as needed. When editing a wall profile, you can delete the lines and then sketch a completely different shape, split the existing lines and add arcs, and draw openings or holes. As you move and edit the rectangle, datum planes appear to indicate the original shape and size of the wall when you entered sketch mode. If the sketch lines snap to the datum planes, the endpoints of the lines automatically align to the planes, unless you explicitly unlock them. When you are finished, click Finish Edit Mode. If you want to restore an edited wall to its original shape, select it, and click Modify, Walls tab Mode panel, and select Reset Profile. You cannot edit the elevation profile of a wall that is an arc in plan. To place rectangular openings in an arc wall or a straight wall, use the Wall Opening tool.